Hi, I'm Tulsa divorce attorney Palmer Johnson, and welcome to my video series where I answer frequently asked questions I get about different topics related to family law. And today I'm going to answer the question, um, do I need a prenuptial agreement? And I think maybe the question should be um, proposed as why everyone needs a prenuptial agreement, but they're still relatively uncommon in Oklahoma and, in fact, I think nationwide, but they are an excellent way for you to enter into a contract with your prospective spouse where you can define what you would do in the event of a divorce. And they can essentially provide a roadmap that helps make that process easier to unwind. It also is a very important thing to consider if you have substantial separate assets going into a marriage and things that you would intend to keep separate. I think that it becomes more important and more people probably contemplate them um, when it's a second marriage or they have children from a previous relationship or marriage and have specific intentions to provide certain things for them, to keep certain assets separate, and perhaps having been through the divorce process once already, have learned from the previous experience what they might want to do differently this time. So, um, if you think that you might need a prenup, I think the answer is that you do need a prenup. If you are contemplating marrying a spouse that has more property than you do going into the marriage and they're asking you to sign a prenuptial agreement, you should potentially seek independent counsel to help them review that, make sure it's a fair and balanced agreement. And um, but I don't think that it necessarily is a reason somebody should decide that they weren't going to marry someone. It really is just a business decision, and it can be a really smart thing to consider. It seems kind of unromantic, I think, at the time of a marriage to talk about this, but it is absolutely something more people should consider. So if you would like to discuss whether a prenuptial agreement might be something that you should strongly consider entering into before your next marriage, I'd be happy to discuss that with you. And you can reach out for a low cost consultation at Moms.Law.